back to my channel. My name is Natasha, and today's video is just going to be a quick video about what's in my carry-on bag. So I head out tomorrow to head back to Chicago to start work. So it's the night before and I'm gonna go ahead and pack. This is usually how I do things. I usually go ahead and wash, and then I like to pack the day before I actually leave. I know sometimes I'm a bit lazy, so sometimes I do end up packing the day of, but I hate doing it because it just feels like I'm rushing. So this right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack the night before. This is my usual routine. I know it's a bit crooked, but this is the best I could do for right now. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so a few little things that I do take with me is I have like a sports bra in here for like when I go work out. And then this is where I put like my bras and stuff here. And then I put like my panties and stuff up here. So the little knickknacks that you do see inside of here, I keep hand sanitizer on me. These little ones from like Bath and Body Works. They're always they usually have like a sale or something going on. So I usually always snag like a bunch of these. So I have some of these in here, and then I also collect. Well, it's not really collecting, but I take all the lotions from the hotel rooms because I don't want to carry like extra lotion in here because our planes are already really small as a regional flight attendant. So I just take the lotions that are in the room, and that usually is my lotion while I'm on my trips and stuff like that. So these are a couple of lotions that I've collected or whatever, and if I didn't use them all, then I just kind of keep them in here, and I just throw them away as I use them. So that's also what's in this little pouch right here. Also, I have a little bit of Airborne, which is really good. You definitely need you some Airborne. I have some Alka-Seltzer Plus medicine, just in case. I have like a little pouch here of jewelry. A little pouch here that I keep up here as well. Okay, so before I go ahead and put my panties and bras in here, down here at the bottom, what I do have is I have a, it's a waist trainer slash sweat belt. So I use this for when I go work out. And then I keep a pair of tennis shoes for working out. I keep a pair of flats. And then I also have my heels that I wear. I think I've put a link of these before below in like one of my description boxes. However, these right here, I got these from Payless. Together, they were both $30. But so technically it ended up being like 15 and 15. So it really wasn't bad at all. And that was May that I got them in. They're definitely lasting. No issues. Okay. So now let's start packing like clothes. All right, guys. So these are a few of the things that I'm going to be taking with me. So I just put in like my panties and bras and stuff. So the way that I pack is I use like an organizer. It just kind of helps me out while I'm traveling, to be honest with you. So I'll leave a link to where I got these. I got these off of Amazon, but I'll leave a link down below. So yeah, so this right here is the organizer that I use. I can't remember the brand exactly. Bagel, something like that. I don't know. So yeah, so what I do is I put like things that I'm going to need. So I pack like these right here, like some tights. So I packed me some tights, 2 pair of tights actually, for either lounging or for like when I just kind of want to like go somewhere or something. I can always throw a top over my tights or something like that. So I'm kind of able to do both with the tights. And then this right here is just a nice little t-shirt to wear. And then this right here is a cute little shirt. It's like an off-the-shoulder shirt. So I did bring something, you know, kind of cute. Same with this one. It's another sweater. Just a long sleeve sweater. Then I also, just because I never know what city I'm going to be in, like if I ever get in enough time, like if I have like a fun crew or something that like actually wants to like go out and do something, I always try and make sure I bring like a cute little like going out dress or something. So that's what this is. I bring 1 to 2 pair of jeans, just depending, because our planes are so little, like I really have to try and fit as little as possible in my suitcases, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna bring 1 pair of jeans. like tights are like a lifesaver because they are very lightweight. These right here, I like to sleep in these. So I'm gonna bring these. They're like sweats. And then this is just one of my aprons. It's just a few of the scarves that we have. Here's a top, another long sleeve top to wear. And then I put my uniform piece, which is just a shirt, one of my long sleeve shirts. And then I have a t-shirt and some pants too, not pants, but like, yeah, I guess, no, they're shorts. These are shorts, workout shorts. So I put these in my bag as well. And then also too, these are my work pants. So this is what I put in here. Mind you, depending on the trip or whatever that I'm gonna be on, the pants are gonna, of course, I'm gonna wear those, so they're not really gonna be in here. But since I'm leaving tomorrow, they're gonna be in here now. And then this work shirt, I may actually have it on. It just depends on the carrier, whatever that I'm gonna be working that for that particular trip. So this right here, I may keep at my crash pad, or I may keep, or I may actually put it on. So usually I try not to have like any extras. The most that I'll do is there's like one uniform shirt that like is very universal. So if anything were to change or something like that, I can always throw that shirt on because some shirts are specific to certain carriers. So that is about it. Then I just go ahead and I zip this up. So also too, I have in here, I put my flip-flops in here. I use those for my crash pad and for the hotels. I'm not stepping in any of those tubs or bathrooms barefooted. And I have powder. I know it's like big as hell, but yeah, so I have powder for at night, and then I have my flat iron since I am straight now for a couple of weeks. So I put that down here at the bottom since I don't have anything else at the bottom. So I also bring house slippers. Yeah, I wear them in the hotels and I wear them at my crash pad. So house slippers I put down here at the bottom as well. And then that's about it that I put down at the bottom. So put this on top. This right here is my toiletry bag. I have like my toothpaste, toothbrush, some soap and stuff for like when I'm at my crash pad. I do use the soap that's in the hotel rooms. So toothbrush, toothpaste, some soap, Febreze. You definitely need this. Spray it on your uniform, spray it on your shoes, spray your tights, whatever you need to spray. Some facial lotion. I love Clinique. I have a little bit of the powder that you guys have probably already seen. A little powder in there. I got a razor, just in case, girl, you never know. And then I have just some more body lotion. And then I have a little bit of conditioner and shampoo, just in case I do need to like wash my hair or something while I'm on the go. I have a comb in here. I have a few like, I have a few like wipes, makeup wipes, makeup removal wipes for those days I'm actually, you know, I actually want to wear makeup. Like, I love wearing makeup. It's just having to put it on at 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning. Like, no. So, yeah. All right. So, in this pouch here, I just have me some emergency. Well, this right here is two, like, facial wipes. And then I have some emergency. Love this stuff. So, this right here is the nighttime. And then I have a couple of daytime emergencies. I have like a whole box over in the corner over there, and I just kind of stock up as needed, but I haven't really needed to use them really, which is a really, really good thing. So I haven't gotten sick or anything. Whenever I feel like I am getting like, I'm feeling a little something, I go ahead and I just drink it, and then it like goes away, whatever was like trying to come. So yeah, a few more facial wipes. This right here is like some moisturizer for my hair. And then this right here is just some shampoo, conditioner, and some lotion that I have in there. So I used to have like a few natural things in here when, of course, I had my natural hair out. But now since I have weave in, I'm just, you know, gonna stick with just my shampoo and conditioner. And then this right here, I mean, it still kind of comes in handy a little bit. but I don't need like all the stuff that you need when you're natural. Like, it's like a whole process. So yeah, so this right here, I'm putting right down here in this corner of my bag. It's down in there perfectly. All right, then, all right, so now I'm gonna take these little clamps right here, and then I go ahead and like snap everything down. Then I zip up all my pockets. Oh yeah, one more thing. All right, so I forgot to include my tights for work. These are just some nice black tights. They feel amazing on my skin. They're super soft, very, very durable. I don't have any rips or anything in them. I've actually had them for a couple months now, and you just throw them in the washing machine and they're like perfectly fine. So to add these in there, those are a necessity. You have to wear some sort of, you know, tights or something underneath like your dresses and your pants and stuff like that. So yeah, that is it. And then go ahead and zip it up. And usually I'm fine on like our planes, except for when I'm on like the Barbie. That's about the only one where I might have a little bit of trouble. Just depends on which one I'm on. I don't really have anything in these front pockets here. Yeah, I don't have anything in the front pockets because I need my suitcase to be as flat as possible so that they can fit in the overhead bins. So yeah, so just zip this up, and then I'm ready for work tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but I'm ready to leave tomorrow. However, tomorrow, I mean, the baggage is going to be checked when I get to the gate, but when I actually start work, it actually works out pretty fine. However, some of these things I will kind of take out and like put in like my drawer that I have in my crash pad. And yeah, because it depends on like how long I'm going to be on a trip, what kind of trip I'm gonna be on, like, you know, it just depends on like a lot of things. So the bag actually becomes a little bit smaller than what it is now and a lot more flatter, so therefore I'm able to fit it in like pretty much all of our carriers. All right, so yeah guys, that is what's in my suitcase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a few of you asked like if I was gonna do like a video or something like this, so here it is. Yeah, if you want me to do like a video about what's in like my purse, my flight attendant purse, because y'all, it's like packed. So I have a bunch of stuff in there too that I kind of use as I kind of need as well on my trips, but I only put them in my purse and I don't put them in this bag for, you know, just in case a customer like takes it on accident or something like that. So there are certain things that I keep in here and there are certain things that I keep in my actual purse. So if you want to see the purse video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.